Is Africa the next big energy market? Africa has large and growing energy needs, which will require significant levels of investment. Simultaneously, there is an objective and major opportunity to build out sustainable energy production on the continent from the beginning. Africa's energy needs could double by 2050 as its population grows over the next 3 decades to 2 billion people. Currently, around 600 million Africans lack access to electricity, and this is expected to rise to 1.2 billion by 2050. Similarly, while 920 million Africans lack access to clean cooking, this could double to around 1.8 billion people in 30 years. Industrialization will also drive Africa's energy demand. A huge investment opportunity exists within the power sector, with demand expected to grow 6-fold by 2050. To enable the electrification of Africa and reduce the carbon intensity of the energy supply, a change in the mix in energy production capacity is needed. According to McKinsey, there could be an increase in installed renewable capacity from around 200 gigawatts to 2,200 gigawatts, with the power system in 2050 comprised of 95% renewable sources. Richly endowed with wind and solar resources, African countries in the north and southwest of the continent could be highly competitive in supplying green hydrogen for local and global consumption. Africa also has a significant opportunity to export green hydrogen. By 2050, the continent could be self-sufficient for its full domestic demand potential of between 10 and 18 megatons of hydrogen, while African hydrogen exports could reach around 40 megatons by 2050. Natural gas is likely to play an important supporting role over the short to medium term. By providing flexible capacity as renewables scale up and battery storage becomes more cost-effective, demand for gas supply and infrastructure is, therefore, likely to continue to rise in the short term. To enable these dramatic shifts, around $2.9 trillion of cumulative capital expenditure would be required between 2022 and 2050, most of which would need to be dedicated to green energy sources. By 2050, the annual investment required is expected to more than double, reaching $160 billion, with 43% of capital expenditure spent on hydrogen, 38% on renewables, and 17% on power transmission, distribution, and mini-grids. Electricity transmission and distribution would require a cumulative investment of around $400 billion by 2050 to increase power generation and electrification, with the largest opportunities concentrated in Egypt, Morocco, Nigeria, and Senegal. Africa's transition toward a greener energy mix presents a significant opportunity for investors seeking to play a meaningful role in supporting the move to renewables and driving development in the region. All sectors along the supply chain will have opportunities for investment, especially critical metals such as copper, graphite, lithium, and other rare earths. Is your portfolio of investments ready to benefit from the immense growth opportunities coming out of Africa?
So what do you think? What's your opinion on this? Please let us know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.